नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम बैक टू अवर यूट्यूब चैनल द अल्टीमेट स्पार्क। प्लेसेस इन न्यूज़, करंट अफेयर्स, एमसीक्यूज प्रैक्टिस सीरीज के आगे के क्वेश्चंस इस प्रकार हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, द अनंगताल लेक विच वाज डिक्लेयर्ड अ मोन्यूमेंट ऑफ नेशनल इम्पोर्टेंस इज लोकेटेड इन विच स्टेट और यूटी। नीचे ऑप्शंस दिए गए हैं। ए कर्नाटका, बी न्यू दिल्ली, सी केरला और डी तेलंगाना। द राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, न्यू दिल्ली। डिटेल में देखते हैं क्या न्यूज़ है। द अनंगताल लेक in South Delhi has been declared a monument of national importance by Ministry of Culture. Ministry of Culture. As per the website of National Mission on Monuments and Antiquities, Anangtal dates back to 1060 AD. 1060 AD. Next question. Question number 2. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the Khadi Utsav in which state or UT? Option A Bihar, B Gujarat, C Tamil Nadu or D Rajasthan. The right option is option B, गुजरात। डिटेल में देखते हैं क्या न्यूज़ है। प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी inaugurated the 470 acre Smriti Wan Memorial in Bhuj. Address Khadi Utsav at the Sabarmati river front in Ahmedabad. He also laid the foundation stone of various developmental projects. During his visit to Gujarat, the Prime Minister also addressed a program marking the commemoration of 40 years of Suzuki in India. Program marking the commemoration of 40 years of Suzuki in India. Next question, question number 3. Ranjangaon, where the Greenfield Electronics Manufacturing Cluster EMC is to be set up, is in which state? नीचे ऑप्शंस दिए गए हैं। ए तमिलनाडु, बी महाराष्ट्र, सी गुजरात और डी मध्य प्रदेश। द राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, महाराष्ट्र। नीचे डिटेल में देखते हैं कि क्या न्यूज़ है। द मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स एंड आईटी has approved the Greenfield Electronics Manufacturing Cluster EMC to be set up in Ranjangaon, Phase 3, near Pune in Maharashtra. The project cost of cluster is rupees 492.85 crores. There are EMCs in Noida, Tirupati, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, where multinational companies and Indian startups have set up their units. EMCs क्या फुल फॉर्म है? EMC की फुल फॉर्म है इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स मैन्युफैक्चरिंग क्लस्टर्स। इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स मैन्युफैक्चरिंग क्लस्टर्स EMC कहाँ कहाँ पर है इंडिया में? ये है नोएडा, तिरुपति, कर्नाटका, तमिलनाडु। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. Saunamara, also known as the hockey village, is located in which state or UT? नीचे ऑप्शंस हैं। ऑप्शन ए ओडिशा, बी वेस्ट बंगाल, सी पंजाब और डी हरियाणा। द राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए, ओडिशा। डिटेल में देखते हैं कि क्या न्यूज़ है। Saunamara, a small village in Odisha, is also known as Hockey Village of India. It is located at 100 km from Birsa Munda Stadium, the world's largest all-seater hockey specific venue in Rourkela. The village has given more than 60 national team players, both male and female. It has produced several notable hockey players such as Dilip Tirki, Amit Rohidas, and Subhadra Pradhan. As the village has a lack of proper hockey grounds, an artificial turf is being prepared by next month. Next question, question number 5. Shompen tribe of people which were seen in the news are located in which state or UT? Option A Jharkhand, B मध्य प्रदेश, सी अंडमान एंड निकोबार आइलैंड और डी Assam. The right answer is option C, अंडमान एंड निकोबार आइलैंड. डिटेल में देखते हैं कि क्या न्यूज़ है. The Constitutional Conduct Group, which includes nearly 100 former civil servants, has written to President Draupadi Murmu protesting the mega infrastructure project in the Great Nicobar Island. The Union Environment Ministry gave clearance for the diversion of 130.75 square kilometer of forest in Great Nicobar Island for a 72,000 crore project that includes a transshipment port, an airport, a power plant, and a greenfield township. The project threatens to displace the extremely vulnerable Shompen tribe. The next question is question number 6. Manasbal Lake, which was seen in the news, is located in which state or UT? Option A Uttarakhand, B Sikkim, C Jammu and Kashmir, or D Arunachal Pradesh. The right answer is option C Jammu and Kashmir. नीचे डिटेल में देखते हैं कि क्या न्यूज़ है. द इंडियन नेवी हैज़ रिसेंटली इंडियन नेवी हैज़ रिसेंटली रिवाइव्ड इट्स ट्रेनिंग एरिया एट द मानसबल लेक इन जम्मू एंड कश्मीर गंदरबल डिस्ट्रिक्ट. It was closed following the eruption of terrorism before 33 years in 1989, and the training areas were shifted to Mansar Lake in Jammu. The facility at the Manasbal Lake in the Central Kashmir district was excellent for naval training of the National Cadet Corps (NCC) in Jammu and Kashmir. The next question is question number 7. Kushiara, which was seen in the news, flows across the border of India and which country? Which country? Option A Nepal, B Bangladesh, C Myanmar, or D Laos. The right answer is option B Bangladesh. डिटेल में देखते हैं क्या न्यूज़ है. Union Cabinet of India has approved a MOU Memorandum of Understanding between India and Bangladesh on withdrawal of up to 153 cusecs of water each by India and Bangladesh from the common border river Kushiara. This MOU will enable Government of Assam to withdraw up to 153 cusecs of water from Kushiara river during dry season. From 1st November to 31st May is the dry season. Next question is question number 8. Lake Garda, which was seen in the news, is located in which country? Option A USA, B Italy, C Australia, और D France. The right answer is option B Italy. डिटेल में देखते हैं कि क्या न्यूज़ है. Lake Garda, which is famed for its clear waters, is situated in northern Italy. The historical low waters of Lake Garda, caused by a winter drought, have led to an unusual phenomena of a sand and stone causeway appearing to connect a small island to the mainland. The decline in water levels is attributed to the warm temperatures, lack of rain in 6 weeks, and declining snow in the surrounding mountains. Next question, question number 9. Luhansk and Donetsk, which were seen in the news, were areas located in which country? A Switzerland, B Ukraine, C Serbia, or D Maldives. The right answer is option B यूक्रेन. डिटेल में देखते हैं कि क्या न्यूज़ है. Russia's Vladimir Putin will annex 4 more areas of Ukraine to Russia after referendums were held in Luhansk and Donetsk in the east and in Zaporizhia and Kherson in the south. Russia's annexation of Crimea was undertaken in 2014. The US has announced US has announced that it will impose sanctions on Russia because of the staged referendums. Next question, question number 10. India has signed agreement with UAE for establishment of an IIT campus. IIT campus in which location? India has signed agreement with UAE for establishment of an IIT campus in which location? Option A Dubai, B Abu Dhabi, C Sharjah or D Al Ain. The right answer is option B Abu Dhabi. डिटेल में देखते हैं क्या न्यूज़ है. Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi recently visited the United Arab Emirates. During the visit, India and the UAE signed agreements pertaining to the utilization of local currencies for cross-border transactions and the establishment of an Indian Institute of Technology IIT campus in Abu Dhabi. Prime Minister Modi's recently visit to UAE marked his fifth visit to the country since assuming office in 2014. The next question is question number 11. Which sea runs between mainland China and the Korean Peninsula? Option A Yellow Sea, B Philippine Sea, C Red Sea or D Black Sea. The right answer is option A Yellow Sea. डिटेल में देखते हैं कि क्या न्यूज़ है. The Yellow Sea is a marginal sea of Western Pacific Ocean located between mainland China and the Korean Peninsula. North Korea fired several cruise missiles into the Yellow Sea between China and the Korean Peninsula. The South Korean military reported. तो आज की इस वीडियो में इतना ही. कल मिलेंगे एक नई वीडियो के साथ प्लेसेस इन न्यूज़ सीरीज में. तब तक के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. जय हिंद, जय भारत.